You want to glow from the inside out. This powerful detox drink melts belly fat, clean your skin, and also boost your energy, all with simple natural ingredients. Guys, stay tuned with me because I'm going to make two different types of drinks, so you need to see how we are going to, or how I'm going to prepare it to get more effect for your body, to melt your belly fat just in 5 days after using this drink. Okay, so now I'm start to cut my lemon. You can use lemon or you can use lemon, but if you know that your lemon is not organic one, you can peel it before before cut it and put inside your blender to blend it, or you can also squeeze it and leave it and throw the rest away. So now my next ingredient is my grapefruit. I'm going to add 1 grapefruit. This thing is making this drink to make more powerful, so I'm adding 1 grapefruit. But before put the grapefruit, for the grapefruit I'm going to peel it and use the peel also for something else, another drink. So that's why I told you guys you need to stay tuned and watch to the end. So why we are doing like that, let me check and say lemon or lime if you use any of it, because lemon is very powerful and it's rich in vitamin C, which is boosting the detox effect. Lemon is very powerful when it comes to detox. When you are going to do detox, I think, or for my knowledge, what I know, all the detox things that people are doing, or you cannot do it even without adding lemon inside, because it's very powerful and it's very helpful. So now my next ingredient that I'm bringing out is my pineapple. Now I'm going to peel my pineapple. So while I'm peeling my pineapple, let's check and see grapefruit also. Grapefruit also is helping your body burn the fat very quickly and clean the liver, your liver, you know, when you are drinking it or you are eating it. But for me, to be honest with you guys, some people can eat grapefruit like orange. I cannot do it that way. I prefer to just squeeze it and drink the drink than eating it that way. So let me just confess to you, I cannot eat it like an orange, but I can only drink it. If I squeeze the water, the juice from the grapefruit, I can drink it, and it's very powerful. So now after that, also after peeling my pineapple, I'm going to cut it also to pieces, because the blender, I need something that I want the way that I can do for it to be very quick, for it to blend very quick. It's not going to end there, because of course I'm going to add cucumber inside, because this powerful drink, pineapple, it's also rich and having vitamin C, as lemon also having vitamin C. It is also great for digestion and skin brightness. If you are going to brighten your skin, or if you are drinking it, your skin will start brightening. You will see your skin will tend to be much more younger. So this drink is very powerful when you are going to do detox. And also it's very good for us to be doing this type of things, because it will help us to burn the belly fat and also burn the food, that the oils that we are eating all the time. We have some people, we don't do detox. It can happen, you can be eating the oils, it will take up to like 1 year without making any detox, or you don't even care about that thing, but you are just eating oils. It's not good. So it's good, at least if you cannot be drinking it every day or all the time or every week, but at least every month, try to detox your system. So now after that, also I cut my cucumber also inside. I added 1 cucumber inside. I put inside. I blend everything with my clove. Also clove, I just put a pinch, like a half tablespoon of clove, and add it and blend everything. So now guys, it's time for me to do what? To strain my drink. So please stay tuned with me, because this thing, I think I have to just go behind of the camera and strain it and come back, but you can see the process how I started it. So let me strain it and be back to you guys. Okay my people, now I finished straining my drink. I'm going to pour it inside my water jar. And also cucumber also is also hydrating your skin or your body and smoothing and glowing your skin. If you are drinking cucumber drink, you are making a juice and drinking, or you are eating it, is very, very good. But for drinking it, I think, that one I can only suggest for you people, especially those who have belly fat. If you have belly fat, it's good when you are adding it into your drink and be blending and drinking it, so that just 5 days, okay, 5 days, drink it. How can you drink it? At least every morning, drink it before take your breakfast. Drink it 30 minutes and wait for 30 minutes before you take your breakfast. This is my drink, guys. After finish everything, I'm going to show it to you guys. It's very nice and it's very sweet. Maybe someone can say it's very great, but I love the taste. Seriously, I really love the taste. Not only the taste, even the benefit that this drink is having, you know, it's mind-blowing. You know, it's very, very powerful. If you have belly fat, I can recommend it to you. You can use this thing just in 5 days, okay? Use it for 5 days and come back here to thank me. And also don't forget, when you watch this video up to here and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. So now you can see I'm almost about to finish 1 glass of my drink just right now. When I'm drinking, my daughter is looking at me, but it's very strong. She cannot drink it, so I'm just drinking and making fun of her. She's around watching me. So that is it, too, my people. You can blend it this way. Try to blend it and strain it very well and start drinking. If you have belly fat or if you want to make detox, this thing is very, very powerful. If you know that you are eating oil every week, this thing is very powerful and is good for our body and our system. We all need it. So now the remaining one, the one that I peel, the banana peel and plus my grapefruit peel, my pineapple peel plus my grapefruit peel. What I'm going to do, I added 1/2, maybe let's say 1 teaspoon. I put inside, added inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use it and boil also and drink it as a tea. And the remaining, the pineapple leaf also, I'm going to use that one also for my DIY things, hair growth things. You know, these things, me, I don't waste any natural things, so I don't waste it. Any natural things is having a benefit, and I know what I can use it to get the benefit from it before throw it away. I'm not throwing things away like that. So this is my pills after boiling it. Look at the color, look at how yellow it is. So this one, you can do it this way and drink it while it's hot, or you can make it a little bit warm. So now I'm going to cover, when I cover like this, and leave it for it to infuse. So this is the pineapple leaf also I'm going to use for my DIY. So please come back because the oil from this is coming very soon. Bye bye. I love you people.